Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we're looking at week 15, Borders and Refugees, Refugees and Borders, either way. And as we look, just big reminder for everyone, we're almost done with the semester, almost done with the school year, and you need to go back, look through your grade book, see what you have missing. Almost everyone has at least one or two things. Some people have more than that. But if you do have missing stuff and you want to improve your grade, please make sure you do the current week's work first. And you can, of course, go back into all through Unit 3 and Unit 4 to get caught up on anything that you need to. But for week 15, we have two different discussion boards that we're doing. But really important that you get caught up. And if your grade's not where you want it to be, now is the time to do that. Get current work done first, then go back and work on missing stuff. We're going to do leveled questions. We've done leveled questions before, but reminder on those. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. Level 1 are very basic questions you can answer right out of the text or the video. Level 2 are a little bit more complicated. Level 3 are very high-level questions. But you're going to be coming up with 6 leveled questions based on some information you're going to look at. You're going to post those and then answer other people's questions. And then you have a discussion board helping refugees rebuild their world. So no weekly quiz this week. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to see some of you on campus on Wednesday. And just real big reminder, please get caught up and please contact me if you need anything at all. Thank you much. See you soon.